subscribe to our channel and support your local library. Thanks.
Pat, where are we going?
We're going to the library, Kevin.
The library? Yay! I love books.
I love books too.
Which library?
We're going to that library over there.
That one?
Yes. Let's go. Here we are in the library.
Look at all these books.
Let's read one.
Which one?
This one, here on the table.
Big elephants. Shh. That was a loud book.
That was a very loud book indeed. Let's pick another book. What about those books over there in that bookcase?
Those books?
Yes.
Okay. I'll take one of these books. This book?
Yes.
One Windy Day. Oh. Shh. That book was very windy.
Let's try another book. Oh, what about one of those over there on that table?
Okay. The Lion Queen.
Wait, don't open that one.
Why not?
Because lions roar very loudly. What about this one? This one, here on the table.
My dad's boat.
What could possibly go wrong?
Shh.
Oh dear, I don't think we're going to be allowed back in that library again.
They won't let us back in there.
Is that another library over there?
Yes, it is.
Let's go.
English without